Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this Do It Yourselfer channel. Today I'm going to be working on this T-trap or fit P-trap, whatever you want to call it. This is for seeing that we install on another video that I made. And as you can see, it is way offset, it's not centered. Using the rigid regular PVC pipes will not work. So what do we do with this? Alright, so you go to the store and you can get one of these puppies right here. Form and fit P-traps. What it is, I call it, is just nothing but an accordion T-trap. Alright, this is the part number that I'm using for this one. I'm pretty sure there's more out there. Now, this is the thing, this is an old sink. The pipe coming out from the wall, it's different. Usually it will have this one, the one that it comes from the pipe, and then you complete the T-trap. However, this is the same size as this, so this is what I'm gonna be doing, you'll see. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to add an extension so that way this thing will be lower, and then I'll put the T-trap. So let me go and get an extension and then we continue with this. Alright guys, so I came back and I found the extension. Okay, I have one over there. It's 1 1/4 inch because that tube, it's 1 1/4 inch. And as you can see, the top part, it has, you know, the extension to the side, so that way it'll fit perfectly right here, right? So what I'm gonna do before I put the nut on top, because it uses a nut, I'm gonna check more or less where do I want the pipe to be. All right, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put the pipe like this and extend it like that. You know what I'm saying? Now guys, this is not professionally done. I want you to be aware of that. I know there's gonna be a lot of you saying ah, but guys, if it works in your house and you save, hey, why not? So I want you to take a look at it. This one inside this pipe, it's gonna use a gasket right there, and well, this is gonna be right here like that. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to cut it. I'm gonna cut it right here so that I don't need all that space. And well, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so let me cut this off. I'm gonna mark it and cut it. All right, I'll come back with you. Okay guys, so I came back. I already cut the tube to the proper length. Now on the package you should have gotten the nut and the gasket, okay, specially made for this. Now what you do is you're gonna put the bolt in here and the gasket. I want you to see the gasket before I put it on it. The gasket, you see that arrow down or the edge down? That's gotta be down, okay? So that way it can penetrate into the other side and make a good seal. So what I always do is, well, right now I'm using one hand, but I'm just gonna put it there. The gasket will hold it. Okay, I'm gonna stick this in all the way, and I'm just gonna tighten it with your hand. This, you don't have to use tools to tighten it. You hand tight it enough. So you tighten it as much as you can. Now this is gonna go in here. All right, so now we need another gasket to do the trick for that. Okay. Now for this end right here, we're gonna use one of these nuts. All right, and I want you to take a look at this thick gasket. Well, this thick gasket is to make up for the difference of thickness of the T-trap and the tube. Again, the arrow or the edge is going to go facing down, you know, like that, so that way it can penetrate or go inside the hole there. Okay, so again, I'm going to put it on there, and I'm going to stick this on it. Now I want you to bring this as much as up as high as you can. All right, and then we'll tighten them up. All right, the gasket is the one that is gonna make the difference, or it's gonna make up for the difference. Okay, and okay, well, this is gonna be tight. It's already tight. Now the other end, and on the other end, this kit comes with the other end. Same thing, gasket. You put it facing this way, and you put the gasket in here. It's a little bit off center, but anyway, put it right there. Stick it in as much as you can inside the tube, and start tightening this up. Okay. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. Now we're gonna test with water. We're gonna let the rudder run, and we're gonna test it. See? It's working perfect, guys. There is no leaks in any of the connections. That's where it usually leaks, on the connections. All the connections are set, everything is good, and this is the easiest way to connect the T-trap on an offset pipes. A lot of people worry about it, you know, they're offset, but this is a very simple fix that you can do yourself, save a couple $100, and you got it. We got this thing running. Hey guys, if you like this video, just make sure you put the thumb up and turn on that bell, and so that way you can see my other hundreds of videos that I have on my channel, and yep, you can save hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. Alright guys, so I'll see you next time, and thank you.